Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 unbelievable healthy diets that you need to try. These diets are not only good for your health, but they are also easy to follow and incorporate into your lifestyle. So, without further ado, let's get started. Mediterranean diet. The first diet on our list is the Mediterranean diet. This diet is based on the traditional foods that people in countries like Greece and Italy have been eating for centuries. It includes lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil. Research shows that following a Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Plant-based diet. The second diet on our list is a plant-based diet. This diet is based on eating mostly plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It may also include some animal products like eggs, dairy, and fish, but in small amounts. Research shows that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. DASH diet. The third diet on our list is the DASH diet. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet is designed to help people lower their blood pressure naturally. It includes lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. Research shows that following a DASH diet can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Flexitarian diet. The fourth diet on our list is the flexitarian diet. This diet is a plant-based diet with the flexibility to include small amounts of meat, fish, and poultry. It includes lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Research shows that following a flexitarian diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Paleo diet. The fifth diet on our list is the paleo diet. This diet is based on the idea of eating like our ancestors did during the Paleolithic era. It includes lots of lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. It excludes processed foods, dairy products, grains, and legumes. Research shows that following a paleo diet can lead to weight loss and improved metabolic health. So, there you have it, 5 unbelievable healthy diets that you need to try. Whether you choose to follow a Mediterranean diet, plant-based diet, DASH diet, flexitarian diet, or paleo diet, remember that a healthy diet is all about balance and moderation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.